Hi, in this video we are going to study about the language. This is one of the very important concept in theory of computation, or you can call it as a theoretical computer science also. So basically a language is a collection, or you can say a set of strings. In previous video we have seen that a string is a sequence of alphabets, or you can say it is a sequence of symbols. So let's consider one example for better understanding of this concept. Let us choose a set of alphabets as sigma over 0, comma 1. Means whatever string we are going to generate, it will be generated by using these two symbols 0 and 1. See, it is denoted by sigma. Now let us consider one example of language. Let L1 be the language. Okay, a string that has length 2. L1 is a language, or it is a set of language. It's having a string that has a length 2. So by using these two symbols, we are going to generate this language. It will be generated of length 2. So by using 0 and 1, we can have multiple combinations but they are in limited amount. 0 0, this is of length 2. See, this is 1, this is 2, so its length is 2. Then 0 1, then 1 0, and lastly a two digit combination can be generated as 1 1. We cannot derive furthermore any combination by using 0 and 1. So L1 is a language. It is nothing but set of all strings that has length 2. So it is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. If you observe in this language, 4 elements are present in this set. So this is a finite set, or we can call it as a finite language. So basically here our example is over. Language is nothing but set of strings. This was the set of alphabets, or you can call it as a symbol defined over sigma, and we have considered this example L1 as a string that has length 2. So we have got 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Thank you.